question number 50. CT runs around the square park of side 75 meter. Bulbul runs around a rectangular park with length 60 meter and breadth 45 meter. Who covers less distance? Here CT run around a square park. Its one side is 75 meter and Bulbul run around a rectangular park. Its length 60 meter and breadth 45 meter. Who cover less distance? So first we find out CT runs around the square park. Its long side 75 meters. So total distance covered by CT. How to find out? This is equal to the perimeter of the square park. Then question number 50. Total distance covered by total distance covered by CT is equal to perimeter of the square park. Perimeter of the square park. What is the perimeter of the square park? Formula 4 into side. Here side is given. What is side? Length of side is equal to 75. Side is equal to 75 meters. So 4 into side. 4 into 75 is equal to 300 meter. So here total distance covered by CT 300 meter. The next total distance covered by Bulbul. Bulbul equal to perimeter of the rectangular park is equal to perimeter of rectangular park. Then what is the formula to find out the perimeter of rectangular? 2 into length plus breadth is equal to, here what is length and breadth? Length is equal to here 60 meter and 45 meter. Then so we can write 2 into 60 plus 45. Then 2 into 105 is equal to 210 meter. Look, compare this perimeter. Here total distance covered by Bulbul 210 meter. Here then total distance covered by CT 300 meter. So compare this distance. One is 300 meter and other is 210 meter. So which is less? Then 210 is less. So who covered this distance? Bulbul covered this distance. So we can write what is, who covered the less distance. Here Bulbul covers less Bulbul covers less distance. The next question, this is question number 15 and question number 16. Look, Question number 16. What is the perimeter of each of the following figure? What do you infer from the answer? Listen here. First question look. A 25, all side are 25 centimeter, this also 25 centimeter, 25 centimeter. Look, this which shape, all side are equal, so this square. So we can find out the perimeter of the square. First square is equal to 4 into side is equal to 4 into 25 is equal to 100 centimeter. This is first question answer 100 centimeter. And B look, B 20, 30. This is 30 centimeter, this is 20 centimeter. 30, 20 centimeter. Look, its length and breadth. Length 30 and breadth 20. So this is length and breadth different. So which shape is this? This is rectangular shape. So perimeter of the rectangular shape. Perimeter of rectangular. Rectangle 2 into length plus breadth is equal to 2 into length 30, breadth 20. Then 2 into 50 is equal to 100 centimeter. Then balances B and D also you find out and find look, what do you infer from the answer? Then look here 100 centimeter, this also 100 centimeter. Means here measures are different but perimeter or perimeters are equal. Then next how many B and D and C and D you find yourself and compare the liquid's perimeter. What do you find out? And this also you write your copy. Means you will get its perimeters same perimeter. Means A, B, C and D also same answer. But here measures are different and shape also different. This also you write your